Many of you undoubtedly know about the marshmallow test, where children try their hardest to wait for an experimenter's return so that they can receive their desired reward of 2 marshmallows, but ultimately, eventually, give up and take 1 marshmallow instead. Why do these children quit? You might think that the children quit because they lack self-control, but this assumes that waiting for a second marshmallow is like waiting for a 60-second lecture to end. If it was worth it to start waiting at the beginning, why, you're only getting closer to the end as time passes, so why would you quit except due to some form of personal weakness? But unlike the end of a 60-second lecture, the children in the marshmallow test don't have any idea when the second marshmallow is coming. And in this case, it's more like waiting for a friend to respond to a text. At the beginning, anything is possible. They could be responding right now. But with each passing minute, it becomes more likely that you're in for a longer wait than you initially expected. And at some point, it may no longer be worth it to you to continue waiting. Understanding why the kids in the marshmallow test quit suggests that we might bolster the pursuit of our own personal second marshmallows by shaping them to be less like waiting for a friend to respond to a text and more like waiting for a 60-second lecture to finally end. Thank you.